Welcome back to Product Critique, where we test, analyze, and review the tech that matters. Today, we're diving into what just might be the best HD unlimited antenna on the market. The 2025 antenna for smart TV by HIDEMI. If you're tired of paying for cable just to access your local news, sports, and entertainment, this sleek little device promises a solution that's powerful, simple, and incredibly cost-effective. Let's talk about what makes this antenna stand out. The HIDEMI 2025 model comes with an astonishing claim: a reception range of over 800 miles. That's not a typo. With its upgraded 2025 signal amplifier and new generation smart IC chip, it's designed to grab signals from incredibly long distances. That means even if you're far away from a broadcast tower, you're still likely to receive a strong, clear signal. The antenna supports 4K, 8K, and 1080p HD signals, which means if your TV is capable of high-definition output, this antenna ensures you're getting the best picture quality possible: sharp details, vibrant colors, and zero pixelation. Whether it's sports, soap operas, or late-night news, it feels like you've upgraded your TV without spending thousands. Now, here's where it gets even better. Installation is so simple, it's almost plug-and-play. The package includes a 16.5-foot high-performance coaxial cable, which gives you plenty of flexibility to place it where the signal is strongest: by a window, on a wall, or behind the TV. No tools, no hassle, and no technician required. Let's take a moment to appreciate the design. This is not some clunky rabbit ear system. The HIDEMI antenna features a sleek, compact body with a modern black finish that blends in with almost any environment. Whether it's your bedroom, living room, or even an RV, it doesn't stand out or clutter your space. It even works with older TVs as long as you have a digital converter box, making it a great gift for grandparents or anyone not ready to splurge on a smart TV. One of the biggest highlights is its 360-degree signal reception, which means no need to constantly rotate or adjust it. You'll automatically receive the best signal in all directions. The manufacturer also offers strong customer support. If you run into any issues like missing channels or installation confusion, HIDEMI encourages buyers to reach out for personalized assistance, a comforting touch in a market flooded with no-name brands. A quick note for potential buyers: the number of channels you'll receive will depend on your exact location and proximity to broadcast towers. Before purchasing, it's recommended to check websites like TVFool or nocable.org to see what's available in your area. Also, make sure your TV has a built-in tuner. If not, you'll need a converter box. In summary, the HIDEMI 2025 antenna isn't just another indoor TV antenna. It's a powerful, well-designed, and genuinely practical solution for those looking to cut the cord and still enjoy high-quality local television. With support for 4K and even 8K signals, wide compatibility, and long-range reception, it could be the only antenna you'll ever need. If you're looking to future-proof your home entertainment setup without emptying your wallet, the HIDEMI 2025 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more hands-on tech insights. See you in the next one.